Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is May. I'm thrilled to have you here for another exciting video. In today's video, I would like to share with you some work from Home Information many of you have been asking me for. Beginners and experienced are encouraged to apply for these jobs. So without further ado, let's jump right in.
Sometimes you want part-time jobs or a side gig which will just take a few hours and still gives you good money. Part-time jobs are a convenient way to supplement your income along with your regular job. Or when you are a stay-at-home parent with your kids. Or you may want an extra income to strengthen your financial growth. There are many online jobs which are part-time, and you can do them around your schedule. The 10 companies in this video offers online jobs only. Check their websites regularly for current openings. Part-time jobs can be great for many reasons. They can potentially become your primary income. They can supplement your income. They can give you a chance to do what you love. And can give more financial freedom. And to do things that you always wanted to do. The first company is Appen. Appen is one of the 5 crowdsourcing companies. This company hires independent contractors to handle their part-time jobs in various fields. For example, translation, data annotation, web research and social media research. A search engine evaluator role can be perfect if you are looking for a part-time job. The minimum number of hours required is 20 per week. Other employment like social media evaluator has much less hour requirements per week. 2. Worldwide 101. Try Worldwide 101 is now boldly. If you are good with your admin or customer service skills, then give their virtual assistant a try. Worldwide 101 provides virtual assistant services to businesses in areas like bookkeeping, customer service, marketing, admin support and more. The maximum number of hours for this role is 25 per week with a minimum being 20. 3. Lionbridge, the Smart Crowd. Another crowdsourcing company which recruits workers worldwide. Like search engine evaluator, internet assessor and sometimes you can find roles like software testers. The number of hours does vary according to the role, but most of the web research positions have a maximum limit of 20 hours per week. This job and each of these jobs are online only. You have the independence of working either day or night anytime. 4. Scribble. Scribble is a transcription company offering freelance transcriber roles. The work is quite flexible, and you can choose the type of work and hours that fits your lifestyle. This role can be a good fit for you if you have good typing skills. To learn more about this company, go to their website. 5. iSoftStone. iSoftStone is another organization offering web research positions. The nature of the work is almost similar to other search engine evaluator roles. This company also offers part-time hours, though there is a chance of getting more work depending on the quality. They usually have longer projects so the work can be continuous. 6. Wonder. Are you good with your general research skills? Then you can apply for being a Wonder researcher. This company recruits online researchers for doing general research. You will need to take an assessment and pass it in order to be selected as a Wonder researcher. This is purely an extra money option, which can be a good part-time option for you. 7. Aboutcom. This company offers quite a lot of openings for freelance writers, video producers, and guides with this website. Working at Aboutcom, you can make a good part-time income being a freelance writer. Because the position is freelance, there are no set hours. 8. Click worker. As a click worker, you can have an extra income option which is available worldwide. This company has positions like data annotation, data tagging, etc. You need to register and log in to see the jobs available to you. You do not need any experience for these positions and the hours are completely flexible. 9. The Hilton. The Hilton provides an online reservation agent position. The work is entirely online with paid training program. The hours are a minimum of 20 to 25 per weeks, and you may be eligible for benefits. 9. IntelliCheck. IntelliCheck is a telephone mystery shopping company hiring at-home mystery shoppers. The work hours are between 10 to 30 hours per week. You need to pass an evaluation before getting hired. The job is to call businesses and find out about pricing and other details. This is a great extra income option. 10. Survey research panels. Surveys are a great way of making some extra cash on the side too. It is great to take surveys while doing things you normally do. You can sign up to many legitimate survey panels like American Consumer Opinion, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, VIP Voice, Swagbucks, etc. To reiterate, these part-time jobs are side gigs which will take less than full-time hours and still give you good money. And the pay depends on the jobs that you apply for. Almost all of these companies requires you to work at least 15 to 30 hours a week. Check their websites regularly to see their current openings.
Hello friends, I'm reaching out to you today to extend a warm invitation to become a part of my YouTube community. You'll be the first to know about upcoming videos, behind-the-scene content, and exciting projects in the pipeline. To join, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive updates whenever I post new content. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you liked what you saw, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. I value your feedback and want to create content about jobs that you're interested in. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Before leaving, click the thumbs up to like this video. Have a great day.